Thank you for joining this quick how-to screencast brought to you by Salesforce Support. To see more content like this, hit subscribe. In this screencast, we're going to learn how to set up Magic Mover in your org after it's been installed. Magic Mover for Notes and Attachments to Lightning Experience is an AppExchange app that helps an organization transition to Lightning Experience that allows an admin to convert attachments to files. This app is best used in Salesforce Classic. This tool is intended to be run by system administrators, as it requires permissions such as modify all data, set audit fields upon record creation, and view all users. Before installing the AppExchange package, the Set Audit Fields Upon Record Creation org permission is required. When we migrate attachments and files, we set system field values like created date, created by, last modified date, and last modified by. These fields are considered audit fields. From Setup, enter User Interface in the Quick Find box. Then select User Interface. Check to enable Set Audit Fields Upon Record Creation and update records with inactive owners. Before you begin, communicate with your users about the bulk conversion process you'll be undertaking with notes and attachments. We recommend turning off feed tracking for notes, so Chatter isn't flooded with data during notes migration. From Setup, enter Feed Tracking in the Quick Find box, then select Feed Tracking. Select the object you want to turn off feed tracking for, and deselect all related objects. We also recommend turning off the ability to create new attachments in the old Notes and Attachments related list in Salesforce Classic. From Setup, enter Files in the Quick Find. Then select General Settings under Salesforce Files, enable the preference Files uploaded to the attachments related list on records are uploaded as Salesforce files, not as attachments. If you'll be using this tool to migrate classic notes to enhanced notes, turn on enhanced notes for your organization if it has not already been turned on. From Setup, enter Notes Settings in the Quick Find, then select Notes Settings. Make sure Enable Notes is selected, and click Save. Go to the AppExchange website, search for Magic Mover, and install the package. Please refer to this screencast, How to Install a Package from AppExchange in Your Org, for more details. If the package install fails, then please contact Salesforce Support. Otherwise, you can access the package if you go to Setup and search for Installed Packages in the Quick Find, and then click on the result. The next step is to assign a permission set to admins to use the Magic Mover app. From Setup, enter permission sets in the Quick Find, then select Permission Sets. Create a new permission set, then select System Permissions. Click Edit and enable the following permissions in the System section. Modify all data, set audit fields upon record creation in the Users section, view all users, click Save. Now select App Permissions. Click Edit and enable the following permission. In the Content section, query all files. Click Manage Assignments and assign the permission set to anyone or the user you are using who will be using this tool to migrate attachments or notes. This typically includes admins. If you plan to use the Update Page Layout tool, you'll have to create a remote site because that tool relies on the metadata API. And in order for the Update Page Layout tool to use the Tooling API, the page must be whitelisted as a remote site. For Enterprise Edition and above, create the remote site automatically from the Update Page Layout tool. For Professional Edition, I would suggest that you review the guide. The Magic Mover app is ready to use once all the settings have been enabled and adjusted. This AppExchange app is not supported entirely by Salesforce Support since this is a Salesforce Lab app. Although you can review the user guide on how to use the functionality, by clicking on the link from the AppExchange listing. For more information, check out help.salesforce.com or join us on the trail at trailblazer.salesforce.com.